Welcome everyone. In this presentation, I will discuss the application of just-in-time or GIT at Toyota Motor Corporation. The discussion begins with an overview of the company, the concept of GIT, its implementation, and the impact, risks, and managerial consequences faced by Toyota. First, profile of Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota Motor Corporation is a global automotive manufacturing company with international operations. Toyota is known as one of the world's largest vehicle manufacturers and a pioneer of the Toyota production system, which has become a benchmark for modern manufacturing practice. For industry, Toyota is global automotive manufacturing focusing on passenger vehicle, commercial vehicle, and mobility technologies, including like hybrid, electric, and hydrogen. Second, scale of operations. Operates through a network of production and sales in dozens of countries, with millions of vehicles produced annually and an integrated global supply chain. Third, global position. One of the world's largest automotive manufacturers, known as the pioneer of the Toyota Production System or TPS, and just-in-time, which have become standard manufacturing practices. Just-in-time or GIT concept in Toyota Production System. Just-in-time is a production concept that emphasizes manufacturing the right amount of products at the right time and according to customer demand. In the Toyota production system, GIT serves to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and ensure a smooth production flow through a full system. First, GIT objectives. Produce goods according to demand, on time, and the right quantity to meet customer demand. Reduce waste, such as excess inventory, overproduction, and waiting time. 2. Basic principles of GIT. There are 3 basic principles of GIT. A. Demand-based production or pull system. Only produce when there is customer demand, not based on estimates. B. Minimize inventory. Inventory is minimized at every stage to avoid cost and waste. C. Take time and one-piece flow. Production is adjusted to a rhythm of demand to achieve an efficient flow. Number 3. The role of GIT in Toyota production system. GIT is one of the main pillars of the Toyota production system, along with JIDOKA, help Toyota achieve lean production, high efficiency, and rapid response to market needs. And the next one is application of GIT in Toyota operations. Toyota implements GIT through the Kanban system as a tool for controlling material flow, strong integration with suppliers, and production based on actual demand. This approach allows Toyota to minimize inventory while maintaining a smooth production process. Kanban, a visual control system for managing the flow of parts and components on the production line in real time. And a system that signals the process of supplier to deliver parts only when needed. Supplier integration. Establishing close collaboration with suppliers to ensure deliveries are on schedule, and playing a role in meeting frequent component requirements in small quantities. 3. Demand-based production. That adapting a pull system and ensuring production meets actual demand. The 7 ways eliminated by GIT. Through GIT, Toyota strives to eliminate 7 major ways, namely overproduction, waiting time, defects, unnecessary transportation, overprocessing, excess inventory, and motion. Reducing this waste make the production process leaner and add value for customers. 1. Overproduction. Production more or earlier than needed, resulting in excess cost and inventory. 2. Waiting. Time waits while workers or machines wait for the next process. 3. Defects. Defective products that need to be repaired or set aside, taking up time and resources. 4. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of materials or product, adding cost and risk of damage. 5. Processing work steps that do not add value due to inefficient design or methods. 6. Excess inventory. Excess inventory that ties up capital and space. 7. Motion. Excessive movement of workers or machines without added value. And the next one is factors that supporting GIT success. The success of GIT at Toyota is supported by internal and external factors. Internally, the culture of Kaizen, process standardization, and implementation of Jidoka ensure production stability and quality. Externally, strategic partnerships with suppliers and information integration through Kanban strengthen supply chain performance. Now, we start from internal factors that supporting the success of GIT at Toyota. 1. Kaizen culture that encouraging all employees to consistently seek and implement improvements in all production process. 2. Process standardization that ensures operational consistency and quality so that each work stage is carried out according to established best practices. 3. Jidoka or automation with a human touch enables machine or operators to immediately stop production when problems are detected. After internal factors, we will discuss about external factors that supporting the success of GIT at Toyota. 1. Strategic partnership with suppliers included alignment of goals, quality standards, and continuous improvement programs. 2. Process standardization, such real-time information integration between Toyota and suppliers strengthens the flow of demand data. The next one is positive impact of GIT implementation. There are 3 positive impacts of GIT implementation. 1. Operational efficiency that GIT reduces waste such as overproduction and waiting time, resulting in a leaner and more efficient production flow. 2. Control costs like minimal inventory, reduced storage, handling, and working capital costs, or inventory holding costs. 3. Flexibility production. The pool system enables Toyota to respond to change in market demand more quickly and accurately. After positive impact, there is negative impact too of GIT implementation. What is that? The first one is dependency supply chains. GIT is highly dependent on constraints such as minor disruptions, like natural disaster, logistical delays that can halt production. 2. Risks operational. The lack of inventory buffer makes the system less tolerant to external uncertainties. 3. Pressure coordination requires high coordination and highly accurate information system between Toyota and suppliers. After discuss about the impacts, we will discuss about risks and challenges of GIT. After discuss about impacts GIT at Toyota, we will discuss about risks and challenges of GIT. The implementation of GIT has had a positive impact in terms of cost efficiency, increased flexibility, and reduced inventory. However, Toyota always faces risks such as supply chain disruptions, natural disasters, supplier delays, and demand uncertainty, which can directly affect production. To discuss about impact, risks, and challenges of GIT at Toyota, we'll discuss too about managerial consequences of implementing GIT at Toyota. From a managerial perspective, GIT requires very strict operational control. Financially, GIT increases efficiency but also increases the risk of losses when disruptions occur. Strategically, Toyota must strengthen risk management, supplier collaboration, and operational excellence to maintain the sustainability of the GIT system. There are three managerial consequences of implementing GIT. The first one is operational consequences, the second one is financial consequences, and the last one is strategic consequences. So the conclusion of inventory management strategy at Toyota Motor Corporation, just in time is a key strategy that supports the competitiveness of Toyota Motor Corporation. With proper management, GIT can provide significant advantage despite the risks that must be carefully managed.